make sure you're not sitting on your spray skirt, and then push yourself off. You don't have to attach your spray skirt just yet. Once we get over to the other side, we can attach our spray skirts then. Good job, thanks, Laura. Bring your boats in so that you're a little bit. You'll want to go in a little bit deeper so that you're in about 6 inches of water when you're getting into the boat, and then push yourself off. And then, Laura, if you can, just kind of head up that way, maybe about 30 or 40 feet, just so you're out of the way of it. Hang on. Can you go around and grab the front of my boat, and when you get there, grab your paddle. Okay. So she's out of her boat. She's holding on to my boat. I'm going to roll her boat over, because this one's a hard one getting out filled with water. And I'm going to pull it across my bow. Tilt it towards me. All the water's coming out. Raise it up high enough. Get the last bit of water out.
Ooh, we got the branch to move forward.
You guys might want to come to this side now. Watch out, you're getting a little close to that tree. You got one? What I want you to do, I want you to blow your feet this way. I want you to put your left leg looking around.
Well, he's doing great that part.
All right, who's rescuing him? So imagine we're in cold water. Don't let him stay in there for long, unless you think you're getting a big hurt. George, you got to get to the front of his kayak. Turn around, I walk to the front, swing my boat around this way, and I'm ready to go. George, don't let go of your boat. Don't ever let go of your boat. See how hard it is to catch it? Yeah. Don't ever let go. Who's going in first? I watched it. It's just hard to do. George, you gotta swing that and bring you gotta bring it over your boat. No, keep it right side up. Not right side up. Stuff your paddle underneath your bungees. Roll the boat right side up. Roll that boat right side up. George, stuff your paddle underneath your bungee to get it out of your legs. Yeah. Take that paddle and put it underneath your deck lines and bungees. Get it out of your way. Pull it up a little more, George. Yeah, roll it all the way upside down.
You're gonna hit the tree. Jaden, you're gonna hit the tree.
That doesn't have a bulkhead in the back. Yep, so you're gonna. George, move that paddle float out of the way. I know it's a hot day. I know it's a hot day and the water is fine.
Did you tighten it?
Did you guys have a big fight? Because you're not holding that boat at all.
It's like my life jacket also catches.
You need to snug it up. You have it on too loose.
It's like as tight as this.
Good. Come on in between here. Actually, go around the other side. We'll just do this with you facing her. Reach your left hand all the way over. Grab that and hold it. There you go. Hold it strong the whole time till your dad's back in. Oh, I float. That's all right. It floats. You'd rather rescue you than the float. Fix your seat, get set, get situated in your boat, and then worry about it. Get ready when he flips over.
I need to get the front of your boat. Just hold on to your boat.
One of you guys flip over, you mix the boat right now.
I'll try.
Hold on, let me get vertical. Don't move your boat.
You got it. You come back.
Love, it's too shallow there, love. You have to bring it to deeper. You see? It's up to the...
Well, and what were some things that maybe you could improve on?
It's hard to get in the boat.
It's hard. Well, if you have a good stable platform, it's easier. That what part of the issue was just stabilizing the boat. Anybody else?
Losing the paddle.
Losing the
I
paddle?
can see not thinking about that when you're...
Yeah, you know, most people when they do this, especially if it's the first time they're really doing wet exits, they're not really thinking about anything other than getting out of that boat and getting up to the surface. And things, on a windy day like this, things start blowing away. So it's a good idea that once you get, after you do the first one, try to get a little bit more comfortable each time, and make sure you hold on to your equipment. Make sure you take your time coming out, because oftentimes, how many of you who did your wet exit flipped your boat over, and then as soon as your head hit the water, thought, I got to get out of this thing, and immediately worked to get out, right? But Sid, when you did yours, you were a bit calm, because you did one before.
Yeah, I did it on the beginner's class.
Yeah, so I noticed that you kind of hung out and took your time because you knew that you were going to get out of the boat. And that's really what you want to get to the point. Because when you come out of the boat calm and relaxed, getting into the boat is even easier. If you're not calm and relaxed getting out of the boat, then you might struggle a little bit more getting into the boat. And you might not understand directions as much getting into the boat as well. Right?
One thing I felt like when I was trying to rescue Bob is I was trying to lean away from the boat, but then once I started leaning towards the boat, like it's much comfortable and easier, as you were mentioning.
Yeah, don't ever lean away from a boat. Remember, these boats are flotation. It's like having a big giant life raft there. Lean on the life raft. That's one thing you should just always do. Lean on your support. Anything else that anybody wants to add? George, I saw you went in as well. So that was good. You guys kind of want to go another round?
Whatever you want to try?
You're gonna tip over.
The paddle doesn't do it.
What's the, Oh, you should have recorded it. Yeah, it's too bad I didn't.
Hold on to the boat. I need to drain the water.
Matt, tilt it this way now. The other.
I'm flipping the boat so we're lined up correctly. Your feet needs to go in the back, front. Like here, right? Wait, hold on. Okay, go.
Go.
Oh, I need your paddle. I need your paddle. Hold on, don't go in yet. Don't go in yet. Paddle. Don't go in yet. Because you're not going to get in until I stabilize. Let's go.
I'm a fish.
You see, the key is to just lean into this. Okay, just chill out. Okay, now go in. You're good. Go in.
Get in the boat.
Get in the boat. And then the seat.
The freak.
Don't play around it. You're standing on this boat. It's not me. You can't stand on this boat. That's why you slide your feet in. Yeah, there you go. All right, Jaden.
Yeah. I got it. I know.
Don't go.
You want to go one more time? Here, go one more time. Just go paddle one time. The first time you never quite get. Don't quickly bounce out of the boat. Like wait 2 seconds.
I want to be in the deeper water.
Yeah, okay, then go in the deep water. Now's the.
Take a video.
What do you think I'm doing?
Okay, just flip.
And then you want me to go to you.
No, you don't have to go to.
Jaden, I'm turning.
Mama, flip and then sink.
Okay, perfect. Okay, just hold here. Okay, hold on. I need to put my paddle in. I realized something, the left hand is really hard. Oh shit. Don't flip the boat. Okay, now I'm gonna. It's hard. You let go of the boat. You're not gonna get back to it. I'm serious. That happened to me. You saw me struggle. What? I can't. I don't have a paddle here. Here, give me your paddle. You learned your lesson. Hold on to the boat. Don't be like. Hold on to the boat. This is not a joke. You learned your lesson. Hold on to the boat. Hold on to the boat. Bird, how you making out? Good. Wait, hold on, don't go. Yeah, I need to Rhea.
Always wait for instruction from the rescuer.
I told her to hold on the boat. She didn't hold on to it.
Let the rescuer tell you everything you need to do.
Okay, now you can come in. Come on in. Okay, go on in.
All right, so George, you have to tell her what she needs to do.